hello and welcome to the Toyota Aygo that's having the new clutch. We've got the friction plate and the pressure plate now bolted and lined up to the flywheel. So theoretically now I'm ready to lift the gearbox in, but I need to make the dowels, the location dowels. Here's the gearbox with its brand new release bearing fitted. So before I go any further, before I even try lifting this up, I'm now going to manufacture the two dowels I need to locate this gearbox when I'm lifting it up. So that's my next job. So there's Mr. Vice, and I'm going to start chopping the heads off the bolts that I'm using, and then I'm going to give that gearbox a lift into place. So that's my two locating dowels that I'm going to put into the engine block. So when I lift the gearbox up, I can slide it onto these. Well, we've got our jury rigged. This is my transmission jack coming off that beam up there. That's how we've lifted the gearbox into the car. I've had some help off my dad. He's been huffing and puffing and jacking things up whilst I've been lining them up, but gearbox is in. There's a couple of bolts in. Them big long studs I made have worked really well. Yeah, I've just got to close the final gap up, but for now it's supported off the strap and it can't go anywhere now. I've had enough for today. That's about as much as I want to do. But we do have gearbox back into the car.